Hey guys, welcome YongChuan Hair Factory. Follow me and see our production department. That's our raw materials scouring. Cuticle intact hair ensures high quality. Professional hair manufacturing. Select same quality standard hairs. To ensure high quality for all orders. All hairs cuticles running in the same direction. We have about 500 workers. Monthly production capacity reaches 90,000 PCS. Audits from BC and ESO every year. With 25-year journey in hair instructory, who can tailor hair extensions' unique voice to your brand? We are your strategic partners, helping you anticipate what's next. Let's create your next big hit together. Just keep the ball rolling.